Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about a new feature from NotebookLM, which is creating shorts from the source of information which we give. So it may be any website link, document files, or any videos. If we ask it to create shorts, it gives us a few recommendations of it after making one. So we are going to try that now and let's see how efficient it is. So let's get started. So I just wanted to know about Jenkins. So I'm just giving this particular link to NotebookLM and we'll see what it does about. So we just gave the information which we wanted to know about. So Jenkins, in particular site, we had like a few information. So it just summarized the entire thing to me. So what next is, so here we have like three different options. One is short that we're going to try now. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I'm just asking it to give me points. Understand. Right. So this will, of course, it will take time. So let's wait and see how the entire information that it is giving from the source that we gave. So it is one of the nicest thing from NotebookLM because it is doing everything for educational purpose and it is free also. I don't know, like shorts, which will come under pro version, but the remaining things you can access. I personally like NotebookLM, but this particular thing, which was surprising for me, how it is going to make a short video about it. So let's see. I think we have shorts. So let's see. It is done making one.
Developers rely on legacy automation tools to build and deploy software. But as projects scale, those older systems can feel rigid, dated, and frustrating. That is all changing. Here are 4 massive upgrades hitting the Jenkins ecosystem in 2026. First up, the core engine. Jenkins is a continuous delivery hub whose power comes from plugins that connect it to practically every tool in your stack. Next, a massive visual overhaul. Jenkins is shedding its older look for a sleek, modernized interface. It introduces new visual layouts that render nested pipeline graphs in full detail. Third, AI integration. The community is building a dedicated chatbot directly into the platform. Instead of digging through logs, developers can ask the bot to instantly diagnose frustrating.
This is unbelievable. I didn't expect that it has a voiceover along with that, and it is perfect to be a short. It's 1 minute 10 seconds, and it is full of the information that I gave as my website. I mean, the web source that I gave. It just dragged everything in it and gave me a full, complete video about it with voiceover. And you can see the visualization in here. It's a miracle. Please do use it. If you don't have a pro version, get one and make use of these things. And you can make n number of videos using it. It is remarkable and I'm so impressed with this NotebookLM. I already have this in my favorite list and this is keeping on coming up. That's all I have. I'm so happy I just made this video. I hope this video finds you well. See you all next video. Bye.